This is Yifan course, assignment 2 for MNG93003 Industry Research Project. The research proposal presentation. The title of the presentation is How Business Could Conduct the DIY Services. Now let's begin. First, let me introduce the content of my presentation. The research includes 5 sections as research problem, research aim, research questions, literature review, and research design. For the literature review section and research design section, there are subsections to enable detailed explanation on the many literature articles used and the different aspects of the research design to ensure the properly conduct of the final report. Okay, let's take a look at research problem. The research problem focuses on the problem in the management of the partner corporation, the baby gift company. The corporation has adopted DIY known as do-it-yourself business model recently. However, there are barriers of the corporation to design and implement proper management interventions to finally success achieve the DIY strategy. Research problem statement is how the partner companies, the baby gift company, markets its DIY services to the target customers. Let's move on to the research aim. The research aim is to explore proper marketing strategy and efforts which could help promote the DIY services of the baby gift company to the target customers. It is developed based on the research problem, and it is the direction to help design the detailed research questions which are useful for conducting specific researches. So what are the research questions? It includes 3 questions I got. What are the challenges and opportunities for the baby gift company to use its DIY business model? And what marketing strategy that baby gift company should adopt to promote its DIY services, and how to properly implement the marketing strategy with a category of marketing statistics. The research questions direct detailed researches in the following content. Next, literature review. This section is about literature review, which includes 3 sections as reviewing situation analysis and its importance, marketing theory, and the DIY business model. Take a look at situation analysis. Situation analysis is important to figure out the situations where corporations are located and when designing and conducting the marketing strategy and marketing tactics towards the goals in the operations. SWOT analysis is one powerful tool to achieve situation analysis by reviewing the external opportunities and the threats as well as internal strengths and weaknesses for the corporation in audit. Situation analysis linked to the first research questions. What are the challenges and opportunities for baby gift company to use its DIY business model? So, DIY business model is short for do-it-yourself, which emphasizes the engagement of the customers in design and conducting products and services to the target customers to finally achieve satisfaction of the target customers based on their customized requirements in the process of engagement. For the gifting industry, DIY business model could mean one important or useful business model, considering that it allows various choices and emotional engagement for the customers to prepare gifts for themselves and also for their friends in the conceptions. For achieving excellent DIY business practices, scholars suggest that the citation in highest priority in satisfaction of the customers, with customers' experience considering that the customers are paying the most attention on achieving customized, and excellent experience in participating in the DIY business model. The literature review by relating to the literature review on situation analysis and marketing theories links to the third research questions, how to properly implement the marketing strategy with the category of marketing tactics. Then, the marketing theory. Marketing theory used in achieving excellent marketing practice for the DIY business model include the marketing strategy and marketing tactics, which referring to marketing strategy, service marketing, and experience marketing are necessary, considering that they are following the customized requirements of the target customers by also embraced intangible services in interacting with the target customers in the marketplace. Under the experience marketing approach, the suggested marketing mix is the 7PS marketing mix, which includes 7 pillars as product, price, place, promotions, cycle in evidence, process, and people. The marketing theories, by interacting with the business model and the situation analysis, contribute to the second research question. What marketing strategy that the baby gift company should adopt to promote its DIY services? Here we can see the conceptual map. The literature review constructs as a conceptual framework which helps illustrate how the analysis will be conducted to direct the empirical researches and to finally realize the research questions. The model started from situation analysis to identify the real situation facing the corporation in the marketplace, then to design marketing interventions, which include both marketing strategy and marketing tactics based on the real situations, with the aim of achieving effective DIY services model with the judging criteria of fulfilling satisfaction of the customers with customized experience. Then let's move on to the research design. This section is about research design. It includes 6 subsections as research method, proposed sample, sampling method, research tools, schedule, and ethical considerations. The first point, research method. The research tries to combine quantitative research methods and qualitative research methods to use advantages of both of the research methods. Qualitative research method is used to view data online, such as the official website of the corporation, to audit its situation in operations, to interview one manager to perceive detailed information about the company, and findings lay the foundation for study the first research questions. And quantitative research method is used to conduct a survey on the customers about their perception and most valued aspects in the DIY services, and to finding helps answer the second and the third questions. The proposed sample. In my work till now, 100 samples proposed in the questionnaire survey is 50 males and 50 females. As the ideal allocation, samples from the customers of the baby gift company. The proposed samples is based on the limitations of the time and budget to indicate the properness. Sampling method. Two points have been mentioned in sampling methods as convenience sampling. This is one non-frequency sampling method, which means the researcher tries to find a sample at their convenience instead of ensure equal opportunities for all samples in the population to be chosen and involved in the study, and to mean sampling biases. However, it is still used with referring to the time and budget limitations of conducting the study. Research tools in use include MS Word, MS Excel, and SPSS, each to undertake the specific task. Word is used for document information retrieved online and document findings from interviewing the manager. The Excel is used for recording data from the questionnaire, and SPSS is used for data analyzed by referring the powerful toolbox. The project lasts for around 4 months from February 1st to May 31st, 2019, with task and schedule for the tasks to achieve. The tasks are finding the research topic, determining the research title, conduct a baby gift campaign, write the research proposal, and write introduction of the final project, write the literature review section, data collection, write findings, document final project, and the last, close the project. I think I should do more to make the whole situation on track in time online. Then ethical consideration is something important, I think. There are essential ethical considerations such as private information protection of the participants involved, include both people from the baby gift company and the customers who are involved in the survey. I really admire they can allow me to collect their informations and their thoughts about the whole thing. And I swear that I will do all I can to keep all the informations private. Properly document information to reach reliable findings. That's what I'm going to do. At last, I have referred to some references to support the justification and discussions. These are the articles and materials I have used until now. So, that's all of the presentations. Thank you for listening.